Assalamu alaikum. 14 sajdas in the Quran and their surahs on fingertips. Al-Furqan is a name of the Quran. So, in Al-Furqan, sajda is in Sad. In Alif Lam Mim as-Sajda and Hamim as-Sajda. Al-Furqan, Sad, Alif Lam Mim as-Sajda, Hamim as-Sajda. In the surah of first revelation, Al-Alaq, and that of the last day, Al-Inshiqaq. Al-Alaq, Al-Inshiqaq. Be it Maryam of Bani Israel or millions in Hajj out in the wild, to Allah all do sajda. Maryam, Bani Israel, Al-Hajj. Ants on the trees, or bees in the hives, or thundering clouds on extreme heights, or the shining star up in the skies, to Allah all do sajda. An-Naml, An-Nahl, Ar-Ra'd, Al-A'raf, An-Najm. Wassalamu alaikum.